what time it is, boy.
It's the best life. It's DJ Sabby, the best thing ever. The problem with y'all haters is that y'all stay hating. We're busy out here putting in the hours, putting in the work, living that best life.
CYPH US Music.
Yeah, man, go. I'm not going in. Because you're not going to be going in that thing and it smells like a garbage. Oh, hello. Hi. Mulalo. Nice meeting you.
Yo, Mulalo, we fucked up your name, you heard? Really? We called you Mulalo.
Hey! 21 minutes after 5, so we got some Skeem Saam actresses. Limpopo is amazing, hey?
They're probably not from Limpopo. Don't assume because they Skeem Saam. Are you guys from Limpopo?
I am.
Yeah!
Where Limpopo?
Representing.
Yes, but like I want to know. Ben and you?
People know whose voice is who. Let's start with Mulalo. Who's Mulalo? Don't do this one.
I'm Mulalo and I'm
Mulalo. Yes.
And what character do you play on Skeem Saam? Kamo.
Yes.
Okay.
All right. And so you'd be Nosy.
I'm Nosy, yes.
You play Glenda.
I play Glenda, yes.
Why they give you a Glenda name?
Right? She's even saying it, you know, Glenda.
Let me flourish, please. You just allow me to flourish. It's not a funny name.
No, Francina. So let's talk about your characters and you guys being actresses. Like, when did this journey start for you guys?
Okay, I'll go first.
Yeah, you go first.
Mine started in 2012. Well, on TV it started in 2012. But I started in 2010. I think, I'm not sure. Then I started doing theater and I tried TV and I got the roles. So, yeah.
Now you won't.
Guys, now I'm a queen. Jay. We are flourishing.
Nice.
And you're and Glenda?
For me, all throughout high school really I've been doing a lot of things in high school. Like, you know how they have plays and whatnot?
Yes.
Yeah, and then I went to Wits and I did my honors. I actually just graduated in March. My honors, and then I got the role. I got right out of school.
How did we do it? How did you guys end up getting the roles in Skeem Saam?
It's an audition. So you go there, audition with more than 100 girls.
No, you don't just get there and audition. How did you hear about the auditions? Did your agent place you there? Did you guys have agency?
Yeah, for me it was my agency. And they were like, okay, so Skeem Saam is having an audition, and be there or, you know, square. So went there, more than 100 girls there, and I auditioned. I got a call back with 4 other girls. I missed my call back because of miscommunication between myself and my agency. The most stressful time of my life. But it took me like 2 weeks because I would call into Skeem Saam, I'm like, guys, I'm ready, I will come for like a good 2 weeks. And then after that, they were like, okay, after 2 weeks, literally, they're like, okay, come through. Only to find out that they had started the audition process again. And literally the day after, we just came together. I got the call.
Look at, but it is not active.
It's never active, so.
You're the active.
I felt pretty awkward the day I had my very first scene with Kukumanch. That was it. I forgot my lines. I think we took like 5-6 takes. It is bad.
And was Kukumancha frustrated?
No, she wasn't. She was like, yeah, I'm gonna get the fish. I can yeah,
you guys,
it was that night.
Your first sex scenes? Do you guys have sex scenes on Skeem Saam?
It's an educational show.
Thank you.
So?
There's no sex scenes.
No, we don't have sex scenes.
You don't kiss?
The furthest we go is kissing.
Oh, and how's that? Like, do you guys enjoy your kissing scenes?
It's one of those things, it's work, yo.
Oh, okay.
So do you guys speak, because some people are quite unprofessional about it. So do you tell your co-star that, listen, this is what's happening, we lay down the rules, or it's just like, we all know it's a job.
Yeah.
Right, and then next thing you're feeling something on the guy.
No.
Nothing?
No, nothing. Guys, it's a job. It's going to work.
Job or not? Guys still have feelings.
And I hear you, and these things happen, but for me, I don't think it's gotten to that point. And I don't think it has for my co-star as well. So we know.
Uyamkhulumela. Shusha nabaqabuli right. Asise ngapha. Baqabula kanjani mntakwethu? Kamo? Let's bring Kamo out.
Guys, like she said, it's just work. I've kissed like 2 guys on the show.
And
but no, nah.
Did they invite you?
No, I think it's acting, so you can just act it out.
Oh.
And it doesn't go that deep. With Skeem Saam, even if you guys use yourself, they're like, cut,
Oh, so you have tried to.
Oh.
She's just saying. She's just saying.
Glenda, she likes a killing song. So,
See it.
upside now, very.
More be seen.
yo.
All right, awesome stuff, ladies. Thank you very much for coming through. What can we expect from your characters if you want to share to some of the Skeem Saam fans listening right now?
From Glenda, a lot of spice. She's got it hidden at the back. Right now, she's very sweet and whatnot, but keep watching and you'll see the spicy side of her.
All right,
So,
Kamo, you're not dying
The
anytime
usual,
soon.
like, nah.
All right.
Come on, the usual, the drama. If you want gossip, I'm your number one girl.
Yeah.
Okay, social media handles for us to get hold of you guys.
Nosy_Langa, that's Instagram, and L_Zipho on Twitter.
Okay, it's Mulalo Lindo on Instagram, Mulalo Lindo on Facebook,
Mulalo
Mulalo Lili N on
Wait,
Twitter.
Mulalo what?
Mulalo Lindo.
Lilindo. Okay.
All right, awesome stuff. They're not gonna die anytime soon. Yeah, like being an actor or an actress, like, do you discover on the day when you get your script that in your
They're writing you off.
That's why it gets so emotional, because you know you're dying. And you know you're not going to be getting money, so you be like, oh my goodness, when they shoot you, it gets more dramatic. Or maybe they can say you'll return as a ghost or something.
But it's a conversation they have with you. They can't just write you out, guys.
All right, cool. Thank you very much for coming through, ladies.
Thank you.
Yo, DJ Sabby, tell them what time it is, boy.
It's the best life. It's DJ Sabby, the best thing ever. 95. The problem with y'all haters is that y'all stay hating. We're busy out here putting in the hours, putting in the work, living that best life.
CYPH US Music.
Yeah, man.